Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for you. The HP 15.6 laptop with Intel Core i7-1165G7. And it's not just any laptop. It's one of the best in the market, especially when it comes to battery life. This HP laptop packs a punch with its impressive features. A 15.6 inches diagonal Full HD IPS touch display. Powered by the Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, it offers incredible performance with up to 4.7 GHz using Intel Turbo Boost technology. Intel Iris X graphics for smooth visuals. An astonishing 9 hours and 15 minutes of video playback battery life, and up to 7 hours and 15 minutes for mixed usage. Fast charging that can take you from 0 to 50% charge in just 45 minutes. Professionally upgraded to 16 GB of memory and a lightning-fast 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, providing exceptional speed and storage capacity. Now, let's dive deeper into why this laptop stands out in the crowd. The HP 15.6 laptop boasts a remarkable battery life. With up to 9 hours and 15 minutes of video playback battery life. You can binge watch your favorite shows or work on the go without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. Even with mixed usage, it can last up to 7 hours and 15 minutes. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, which ensures outstanding performance for all your tasks. Whether you're working on documents, editing photos, or even playing some light games. The 15.6 Full HD touch display with IPS technology provides vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making it perfect for both work and entertainment. With 16 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. You can have multiple applications open without any slowdowns. The 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD offers lightning-fast data access, making your laptop responsive and efficient. Equipped with multiple ports, including one USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, and an HDMI port, this laptop ensures that you can connect all your peripherals and accessories effortlessly. And guess what? It even comes bundled with a TickBot HDMI cable. In summary, the HP 15.6 laptop with Intel Core i7-1165G7 is a powerhouse that excels in every department. From its impressive battery life to its powerful performance and stunning display, it's a laptop that can handle anything you throw at it. So, if you're in the market for a laptop that won't leave you hanging with a dead battery and delivers top-notch performance, look no further than this HP laptop. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.